train is westbound headed towards Goffs. 4108 in the lead as it works up grade out of Needles heading towards Goffs. Three units powering this westbound. Containers. Lots of containers here in the Eastern California desert. Laboring upgrade. And there go the engines headed west. Another eastbound, heading towards Needles. We're a few miles east of Goffs. Yeah, they're doing okay. They're just getting settled in. You know, they have a person that comes 2 hours every morning, 6 days a week to help take care of things, and like they set up their Christmas tree for them and stuff. Yeah, you remember when we stayed in Needles once before and we were right by the train tracks? I didn't go to that one. That was the Best Western. I went across the street to just a no-name motel. It was cheaper, but it turned out they didn't have any hot water this morning, and so I didn't take a shower like I planned to. Yeah. Yeah, well, it was really cheap, but of course I didn't get much for what I did pay. So, and then this morning, this morning I saw when I got up and I went to a grocery store. I went to a Bosch's to buy a few more items of food. I found that that there was a bunch of other motels along there that were. I mean, I paid $33 for mine. I saw some others that were $29 and some that were $26. But in the darkness when I got down here, it was about 8 o'clock, I guess. I just didn't look any further. I just kind of took the first one I saw there, and that was a mistake. I mean, you can't always judge from the outside anyway, but anyway, that's the way that was. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I was going to go to Don's, but he's got 3 feet of snow and the interstate's closed.